This screencast is meant to help you with the activity you'll be assigned, and that is to make a cube optical illusion. It would be advisable, though, to read the activity, the background, the vocabulary, and the steps, so that'll help you make this a little bit more meaningful for you. Well, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to construct a circle with center through point. And the next thing we need to do is we need to get 5 more points on the circumference of the circle equally distributed. And we're going to use transformations to do that. Transformations are actually a really nice thing, and the tools they provide us in GeoGebra make your life very easy. But the goal of a transformation is that it'll make a copy of a figure and then move it in a specified way. So the first thing I want to do is I want to rotate this point B. So I'm going to select it, and the center is A. And then you see the window pop up, and I need to tell the applet how many degrees I want that point rotated, and it's 60 degrees. So you've seen now we call that B prime. We've rotated it 60 degrees. We're going to do this one more time. So the object you want to rotate, you select the center, and again the window pops up, and we want to keep it at 60 degrees. You have now successfully got 3 points. We need 3 more. We could continue with the same transformation tool, but because part of the goal is to help you explore other tools that GeoGebra has for you, we're going to use another transformation tool, and this one is reflect about a point. Now this one is even almost easier to use in terms of the number of clicks we need to do. So imagine that A is the mirror. We're going to reflect point B prime prime. That's our reflection point, and there it is. And we're going to do it again 2 more times. So I want to reflect point B prime over A, and then also B over A. We have successfully got our 6 points we were looking for, and they're distributed evenly. They're 60 degrees apart. And we no longer need the circle, so we're going to hide our circle. So show hide. We select what we want to hide. It will get grayed out, and we pick the next tool we're going to use, or just the move tool. So we're going to use the segment tool. And now we're going to actually draw in the regular hexagon. So we're going to pick this point, and then we're going to go to the next vertex. We've successfully got a regular hexagon. I'm just going to put it like this, make it maybe a little smaller so everything's in front of us there. Okay. We're going to do this one more time. We're going to make a smaller regular hexagon in the interior of this larger one. And we want the first vertex to be exactly in between any of the vertices and the center of the circle. So that sounds like a midpoint. So we're going to take our midpoint tool right here. We're going to select the 2 points, which would be the endpoints of a segment, or the 2 points we want that point to be exactly in between. Okay, so there's point C. We could do this again and pick up our 6 points rather quickly. But again, I want you to practice some new tools. So if we go to the rotate around the point tool again, remember what we have to do. The thing we want to, object we want to rotate, we select the center. Then we're asked how many degrees would we like that point to be rotated. We say 60. And OK. Practice one more time. I'm going to rotate this point around the center A. And again, 60 degrees. Now we're going to use the other transformation tool that was reflect about a point. So the object I want to reflect is C. It's going to be about the point A. And we're going to do it with the other C and the last one. At this point, we're halfway through the activity. I'm going to stop, and then there'll be a part 2, as this video will only be 5 minutes long. So each time I will stop at the end of the 5 minutes.